Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Bruce has announced his squad that will do duty against Zambia in an international friendly. This friendly is it's a preparation. This is the last window of the year, but in the African football calendar, this is the last window before the kickoff of the AFCON tournament, which will take place in Morocco in December, January, meaning December of this year, which is 2025, and January 2026 in Morocco. So these friendlies that are lined up are a preparation for the teams, the national teams, to prepare themselves for the actual tournament. So Coach Hugo Bruce has announced his squad, and I think what we can get from this it is that probably 95 to 98% of the players that are in this squad are the players that are going to do duty for the national team in the AFCON, except for one player who was, or two players who were out injured when he was making the announcement. One is Themba Zwane, who has not returned to action, but we are told that he's training. The other player is Relay Mufokeng, who has been out injured when the preliminary squad was announced. But last night, which means just a night before the head coach announces his final squad for the friendly against Zambia, Relay Mufokeng returned to action. He came as a second half substitute and he created a goal against Golden Arrows. He provided an assist. So, except for those two players, I don't see any other player from now up until December who's going to crack into the squad, except for Relay Mufokeng and Themba Zwane. Of course, we also got a Themkosi Lodge who's hot on form. Themkosi Lodge is hot on form and also included the Mduduzi Shabalala of Kaiser Chiefs. But it does not seem like Hugo Bruce is a big fan of those players, the Mduduzi Shabalala and Themkosi Lodge. You see. So you guys, I'm going to read you out the squad. So the goalkeepers are Ronwen Williams, who also happens to be the captain from Mamelodi Sundowns, Ricardo Goss from Siwelele, Sipho Chain from Orlando Pirates. Defenders is Tabang Matuludi from Polokwane City, Kudiso Mudau from Mamelodi Sundowns, Thabiso Moloisane from Stellenbosch, Nkosinathi Sibisi from Orlando Pirates, Aubrey Modiba from Mamelodi Sundowns, Khulumani Ndamane from TS Galaxy, Samkelo Kabini, who plays out in Norway in Europe, Bekezile Mbokazi from Orlando Pirates. In terms of the middle fielders, it is Tebo Mokoena from Mamelodi Sundowns, Masindi Nemtajela, the first-time call-up, who plays for Orlando Pirates, Batusi Obas, who plays for Mamelodi Sundowns, Talent Mbata from Orlando Pirates, Spephelo Sithole, who's playing out in Europe, in Portugal. Then the forwards is Osinopolis from Orlando Pirates, Mohankota from El Fitak from Saudi Arabia, Tsepang Moremi from Orlando Pirates, Evidence Mahupa from Orlando Pirates, Lyle Foster from Burnley in England, Keletso Magalwa, Sekhukhune United, Siphombule, Orlando Pirates. So these are the players that will be doing the duty for the national team against Zambia in the international friendly. So I see that also Ikram Renas is not here. So I will include Ikram Renas on the list of the three players that I mentioned that are likely going to crack the squad. But again, the challenge of Themba Zwane is the match time and all of that. At least Ikram Renas, after his sickness, falling ill, he's now starting to play to get minutes at Mamelodi Sundowns. So I would say Ikram Renas, Relay Mufokeng, and likely Themba Zwane are the ones who are going to be added onto the squad for the AFCON. Other than that, I don't see any other player cracking this squad. I don't see any other player cracking this squad. You guys tell me your views. Do you feel that there's been any omissions? Which players do you feel that the coach has omitted and they deserve a fair chance of playing in this team? As I've read the squad to you guys, which players do you think that actually deserves to be here that the coach has not included all of that? How do you feel about the squad? Do you think this squad is strong enough? And is this the squad that we can now say this one we can even take it to the AFCON? And if you go to AFCON with the squad, how far do you think Bafana Bafana can advance? Okay, it's a game of opinion, it's a game of debate. So let's debate, but let's keep it clean, let's keep it respectful, guys. My name is Devus Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Please, guys, help me to grow this platform. There's various ways you can help me to grow the platform. Firstly, by subscribing. After subscribing, please click on the notification bell so that you can receive notifications each time I publish a video. Another way, guys, is by buying me the super thanks and also taking up the membership to this channel. Thank you, guys, for watching.